Offshore accident lawyer. Host an attorney for offshore injuries. Table of contents show. An offshore accident lawyer fights for your rights anytime you suffer an accidental injury on any type of vessels on the sea. The incident may occur on the ship of some sort, an offshore platform, on a dock, or in a helicopter transporting crew from the to land. It's important that you hire a Houston offshore accident lawyer that will thoroughly investigate the claim to determine who is liable and what laws apply. Call Simonez Inflector PC Injury Accident Lawyer for a free consultation regarding your offshore injury claim. We work on the contingency fee basis so that you pay nothing upfront and no attorney fees unless we make a recovery in your case. Call us at 888-998-193 today. Investigating the offshore injury claim. To determine which law applies, you need an offshore accident lawyer who will thoroughly investigate to the claim. Very detailed records and logs are kept by the company in charge of shore vessels. These records must be obtained and reviewed to determine whether proper procedure were followed. Moreover, in the serious injury cases, nothing tells the story better than going to the scenes and conducting an inspection. At Simmons and Fletcher PC, we can investigate the scene and retain and bring expert is required to get full picture of what caused an event. What law applies to in offshore? There is a large body of state and federal Longshoremen and Harbor Worker Act, Jones Act, State Personal Injury Law, Federal Tort Claim. Trying to navigate these laws without an offshore accident attorney is like trying to pilot the seas without a map. Longshoremen and Harbor Worker Compensation Act under 43 United States Code Section 1333 subsection B and C. Congress extended in the Longshoremen's and Harbor Workers Compensation Act to cover employees that then master members of any vessels who working on the outer continental shelf. In the explanation and effectively worker compensation for certain marine workers and many dock workers that are not otherwise covered by the Jones Act. Jones Act. The Jones Act provides certain protection to workers on the sea vessels, which include jackup rigs and oil rigs that are not attached to the ocean floor, such as floating oil rigs. And regulation under the Jones Act cover employee can recover for the pain and suffering, disability, medical expenses, and lost wings. The worker offshore in Suero must show that the damage suffered were caused by the negligence of the employer. However, unlike all other areas of law, the burden of proof under the Jones Act is lower than normal. It is considered a federal burden because you must only tell the scales of justice in your favor by the featherweight to the win. This gave the injured worker in this offshore accident lawyer a major advantage. Some accidents covered by the Jones Act are oil rigging accident, oil tanker ship accident, rail ship accident, cruise ship accident, river boat accident, dock accident, shrimp boat accident, tugboat accident. Offshore injury and state personal injury law. Offshore injuries and do not fall under the above laws may be covered by the state injury law. The state law that applies is typically determined by the proximity of the accident because the very law above X may also apply. You should hire an offshore injury attorney to determine which avenues are determined